If you sell on Amazon with a registered brand, then you absolutely should be using Amazon brand referral program. If you are not using it, then you're missing out. And by starting to use it, you could actually look into earning 10% from all the sales that you're making on Amazon. In this video, I'm going to be talking about what it is, why does it matter, and how to set it up. Subscribe to the channel to get new videos every week.
All right, hey, so a couple of weeks ago, I mentioned about this brand referral program and how many has already created their links. Who has started using this? Brand referral program. And the reason that I'm going to be talking about this again, this is really something useful that you should definitely do right now, because this is something new. So Amazon just launched this in July, so some time ago. So this is definitely something that you should make the use of. So you basically, this is instructions how to get 10% bonus from Amazon. So what is brand referral bonus? So let's have a quick recap. So it's basically, let's check what Amazon is telling there. They are saying that delight customers while improving market efficiency and earning a bonus. So it basically means that you get bonus for bringing external traffic to Amazon. And how much bonus you will get depends on, it depends on the category. So the percentage is different in different categories, but it's pretty much like 10%. So this basically, the way it works, that you just create this the tag on Amazon Attribution, and they then basically create your link and start sharing your link. And it's basically you can see here that, okay, what purchases qualify to receive a bonus. The bonus applies to brand-owned products with an Amazon Attribution tag that originates from a non-Amazon marketing effort. This includes promoted products and additional products purchased from your brand up to 14 days after clicking on the ad. So it means that any links, any traffic that you bring inside of Amazon, and if they make a purchase, then you're going to be getting a bonus out of it. Yeah, I mean, why would you care? That's a good question, right? Why should we be bothered with this? Like, why should we bring traffic to Amazon? Well, I mean, it's practically free money. Like, if you have traffic, if you can control traffic with your email list or with ads or whatever, I mean, bringing that traffic to Amazon, I mean, Amazon is going to reward you for it. So there's basically no extra effort, because if you're already sending bringing at least a bit traffic to Amazon, it just means that you are basically going to use this different link, and that's pretty much it. So, I mean, as mentioned there, you earn this 10% sales commission within 2 weeks. But here's the thing, why it actually really matters is that, I mean, why it's more important. It's just not only about the commission, it's about this massive boost on keywords. And meaning that if you use basically different, I mean, because you are the one who decides that what kind of URL are you going to use for this. You are going to be seeing later on what I mean, but basically, I mean, you can add keywords there and therefore like boost specific keywords on your listing. And then additionally, it increases your brand visibility on Amazon, because the Amazon algorithm sees this regular traffic coming for a specific brand. And more Amazon is going to be more caring about the brands. That's why we see all these different new initiatives that it's not really about the best price or best, I mean, it's going to be more centric on different brands. So that's definitely why you need to have this trademark and why you need to have Amazon brand registry and so on. All right, cool. So I mean, let's say that you have the links, you are eligible for this brand referral program. Then how do you use it? Where do you use the links? I mean, you can use it in emails. I mean, email list that you have, then on social media, different Facebooks, I mean, so Instagram, Facebook posts, and basically if you're doing any kind of videos on YouTube and so on. And then influencers. When you're working with different influencers, I mean, you can give them this type of link, which will then, I mean, you will get this bonus out of it. Then additionally, like Amazon affiliates, I mean, Amazon affiliates, I mean, even though the popularity, I mean, basically the sales commission has been going down. I mean, it's still pretty popular. I mean, really popular program. And there's a lot of Amazon affiliates around, which means that you can basically make the advantage out of them. Then external ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, whatever. I mean, you should definitely use these links there. Then additionally, product inserts. So any kind of insert cards that you have in your like physical packaging, meaning that in the packaging itself or the product. Sorry, what was that? Okay, I can mute you. All right. Yeah, so either in the product packaging itself, or in the product if you have some kind of sticker in the product itself, or then in different kinds of insert cards. Because I mean, it's really typical, especially in the US, that I mean, once you open the packets, that there are different kind of cards inside, and typically, I mean, it's going to be promoting some stuff related with the brand, or maybe a different product, or maybe a different digital product, or whatever. But basically, I mean, you should definitely add these links there, which means that after you create the URL, then you can just create a short URL, so you don't need to use the actual one. So steps how to do it. Basically, you just enroll for this brand referral bonus, register for Amazon Attribution, create these links, and it's orders where you specify the ASINs and then the line items. Then I mean, you're ready to go. You just use these links for external traffic. So let's go through it step by step. So I mean, who here is already using Amazon Attribution? Because you can just type on the chat. Even if you're not using it, I mean, if you have, you should still, I mean, definitely, I mean, register for it, so you at least have the account ready and set up, like once you're ready to be using it. So Amazon Attribution is this advertising analytics measurement tool that basically gives us what basically gives you different links that you can use, like to external traffic. And that's also where you will find this the place where you can create these links for the brand referral program. Okay, so let's see how to do these links step by step. So here we are inside of Amazon advertising, so inside of Amazon Attribution, and at the bottom there you will see all the different brands that you have registered on your account. But here on number 3, you can just select this create an order, and it will, I mean, if you have one brand inside of your Seller Central account, then you just, it's going to be using that account, that brand. So once you do that, then you see this new order page. where you basically are going to be creating these manually. I mean, sure, it's possible to upload files, but that's basically more like if you're going to be using if you're going to be doing many of these different links. But yeah, let's just go through this manual creation of orders and tags. So here, then next thing is that you actually select the products. So you should basically create different links for different product listings. But I mean, let's say that we just want to create a link for the storefront. Okay, fine. Then we can just add all on this page. So select this button here, and then you basically just name it and give some kind of ID which you prefer. But I mean, basically that's basically just up to you. Then next thing is adding these line items. So basically line items just means that, okay, where is the traffic coming from? And I don't think, I mean, this actually has that big impact on anything. I mean, it's just basically giving or allowing you to identify like what are the different sources of traffic that you're going to be using. So I mean, just add the line item name and then publisher name. I mean, if it's Facebook, email, or whatever, I mean, then just select it and select the channel. And then finally here we have this click through URL. So this is the place where we add the actual Amazon link where we want the user to end up in. And if we want to promote a certain keyword, then we will add the link here, including the specific search term that we want to nudge a little bit. So there's basically just two options here, like different links you would add here. Either you add the storefront or then the individual product listing. And for the individual product listing, I definitely recommend that you add your main search terms, because this will then help you to increase the ranking for that specific keyword that you have. So I mean, definitely do this at least for these two things. Storefront, and additionally for every product listing separately. So I mean, once you do that, then you will get your link. So then it just says the line item name that you chose and then the publisher. So here, then you will see this attribution tag. So this is the link that you added here. And additionally, it includes the tag for this brand referral bonus. So basically, this is the link that you're going to be using for your marketing efforts. So then, I mean, then just copy it and you're ready to go. So yeah, I mean, okay, now that you have the link, where should you use it? I mean, you should link it to the different product listings and storefronts. I mean, those are basically just the two options. And it doesn't really make sense. I mean, sure, you can add different keywords to your storefront, but I mean, it will definitely have a much bigger impact when you are using the specific product listing for that specific keyword that you have in mind. So one thing that you should definitely optimize is the storefront. So here we can see like Samsung's storefront, which is not really well optimized. I mean, they're just promoting their TVs, QLEDs, but I mean, this is the page that you should, if you have not yet optimized this page, then I recommend you to do that right now. And if you don't know how to do this, I mean, because you will need a lot of different graphics, then just find some person like from Fiverr or anywhere. I mean, just to get this page up and running. I mean, meaning that have it actually make your brand stand out and make it something that makes your brand pretty much look good. So, I mean, the conclusion is that, I mean, set up your links right now. So product listings with keywords, specific keywords, that your main keywords, and then the storefront. I mean, do this for all your products. And if you're doing it for the storefront, I mean, you just add all the products. But if it's basically for specific listing, then you can just select that product alone. And then, I mean, that's pretty much it. Then you just start sharing them. And that's pretty much it. Any questions? Questions, not silence. All right, but yeah, so this is basically just 2 months old. So it will be really interesting to see once this it gets a bit older and actually see this more in practice. So I'll be doing some tests for it, but I mean, still, because the reporting takes time, it's not, yeah, it will be definitely interesting to see the results, like once the time passes and you'll be basically doing this for weeks and weeks.
I have one question.
Sure.
Do you need to be in an Amazon brand that you can join that brand referral program?
Yes, so you need to have your own brand.
Brand register.
Yeah, you need to have brand registered.
Okay, I don't have that yet, but when I have, then I'm going to join that referral program.
Yeah.
I cannot do that right now.
Yeah. I mean, I mean, it works for, I mean, basically you could advertise for your, I mean, different brands as well, but I mean, then you need a permission in order to promote that. So basically for us, like Amazon sellers, it just means, I mean, only option that makes sense that we have our own brands there. So we are basically advertising our own brands or own products there.
So what do you think about the brand referral program? Have you already been using it? Let me know. And hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you need my help on selling on Amazon, then make sure to sign up for my free training and book a call with me. See you soon.